Well, hello. We are going to do a little bit of practice with blends. And the word blend has some blends in it. The first one that we practiced way back when you guys were still in school was the BL blend. Bl. So think of this. BL, bl, and try to think of as many words as you can that have bl in them. When I say the B, I say the B sound. And when I say the L sound, I say the L sound, but I put them together, and that's why it's called a blend, because they put those two letters together really quickly. Bl. When I say the L sound, I put my tongue out because that makes me say the L sound instead of a W or something else. L. So, can you think of some words? Maybe you can think of some that we practiced. Remember that our imaginative play area was a smoothie shop? What do they use in a smoothie shop? BL, bl, a blender. A blender. They use a blender. And so we made up some different things that we could put into the blender that have BL at the beginning. Bl. Can you think of some? Bl. How about blueberries? That would make a delicious smoothie. How about a blanket? I don't think that would be a delicious smoothie, but it does have a BL blend. Blanket. How about a blindfold? Lots of BL words. So try and think of at least one more word that has bl in it. While you do that, I'm going to write some more blends. There are so many different kinds of blends, but these are 4 that I'm going to show you guys, and we're going to try and come up with words that start with this. So the first one is SM, and again, you say both letters. Sorry, the sun is going down, so this is getting a little dark. SM. So you're going to do both sounds, but blend them together as quickly as you can. S, m, sm. Let's try again. S, m, sm. Now let's try this. GL. G, ul, gul. G, ul, gul. And then we have PL. P, ul, pool. P, ul, pool. SP. Sp, sp. SP, sp, sp. Okay? So, I have a little assignment for you guys to do, and it's IXL, but usually you do IXL with math. And this time you're going to do IXL language arts. And so there are a couple of assignments that deal with blends. A lot of them are blends at the beginning of a sentence or the beginning of a word, and a lot of them are blends in the middle or at the end of a word. And the ones that are at the end of a word are actually a little bit trickier. So if you're having a hard time with the blends at the beginning of the word, just focus on that. But if you have that mastered, move on to blends that are at the end of a word, like the word blend. B-l-e-n-d. Blend has a blend at the end. Nd. So that's another way to practice, but that is a little trickier. Nd. So as you're looking through different words and stuff today, maybe try and point out some blends to your family. Remember, a blend is not a digraph. It's not like CH where you say one sound with 2 letters, and it's not a vowel. It wouldn't be a U and a T together, ut. That's not a blend. That's just a vowel and a consonant. So try your best to practice blends today and see how it goes, and also see how the IXL goes with language arts, and see if you can practice some blends. If you master it, like I said, move on to something a little more tricky and don't spend all of your time on blends. But if it's hard for you, practice, practice, practice.